How can teens make a pizza? Have you ever thought about how fun and easy it is for teens to make their own pizza? Not only is it a delicious meal, but it also helps develop cooking skills while being mindful of health. Let's break down the steps to create a tasty pizza that fits into a balanced lifestyle. First, let's prepare the dough. You can either buy pre-made pizza dough or make your own. If you choose to make it, mix flour, yeast, water, salt, and a little olive oil. Knead the mixture until it is smooth, then let it rest and rise for about 1 hour. Using whole wheat flour is a great option because it adds fiber and nutrients, making your pizza healthier. Next, it's time to choose a sauce. Spread your sauce evenly over the rolled-out dough. Traditional tomato sauce is packed with vitamins and antioxidants. For something different, try a spinach ricotta cream sauce. This adds greens and calcium to your pizza. Now, let's add cheese. Cheese is a good source of protein and calcium, but it can also be high in saturated fat and calories. Use a moderate amount of low-fat cheese or part-skim mozzarella to keep it balanced and nutritious. The fun part is selecting your toppings. This is where you can get creative and boost the nutrition of your pizza. Load it up with vegetables like bell peppers, onions, mushrooms, spinach, zucchini, and tomatoes. These add vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants. For protein, consider lean options like cooked chicken, ham, or plant-based choices like tofu or beans. Adding garlic can enhance flavor and support heart health without extra calories. Fruits like pineapple can add a sweet touch and important nutrients like manganese. Once you have your pizza assembled, it's time to bake it. Preheat your oven to around 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the pizza for 10 to 15 minutes or until the crust is golden and the cheese is bubbly. Keep in mind that baking times may vary based on your oven and the thickness of the pizza. Finally, remember to portion your pizza wisely. Eating in reasonable portions helps manage calorie and sodium intake. Pair your pizza with a side salad or fresh fruit for a more balanced meal. By making pizza at home, teens can control the ingredients, experiment with flavors, and practice cooking skills that contribute to healthier eating habits and weight management. Choosing whole grains, plenty of vegetables, lean proteins, and moderate cheese helps create a pizza that is both delicious and nutritious. This hands-on approach supports teen fitness and wellness by encouraging mindful food choices and cooking independence.